Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we've got a Lenovo IdeaPad 3. The model is 15IIL05. This has an issue with a not charging problem. Now, I don't have the charger that came with the machine, but let me tell you what's actually going on. I think it's a pretty straightforward one. So here's my original charger I've got. It doesn't go in. So is the port broken? Is something stuck in the port? Let's have a look. So if you look inside there is a broken piece of the customer's charger which is broken off in there. Now, do we need to first of all remove the back cover, take the motherboard out, and then have a look at the port? Do we need to change the port? I don't know, but what I'm going to do first of all is try and remove the actual broken piece. I'm not sure if you see that very clearly, but let me see if I can zoom in for you. There you go. Now, you need well, first of all, let me just explain something. So some of the repairs that I'm trying to do on YouTube is for people who haven't got an electronics degree. You don't need one. You don't need the technical know-how of a laptop to repair a laptop. You can do certain things by just following guides on YouTube. I do that for other things that I want to repair. For example, like something to do with a car, I'll see if I can do. And for example, my wife's car mirror, door mirror needed replacing. How do I do it? So I followed the guide. I did the job. Now, so it's the same thing with laptops. Now, this one, like I said, is something that you can do yourself at home. Don't need a master's degree to do this sort of stuff. Just a bit of technical know-how. You know how to use a tweezer, a screwdriver. That's all you need to do. So let's see if we can pop this port out. Okay. Now you're going to need a tweezer. Doesn't need to be electronics tweezer. You can just get one from, even that you use to pluck eyebrows. That's possible. So can you see? I'm just trying to get the end of, I'm not touching the metal pins, I'm trying to avoid those, and you see it's spinning round. The actual part is spinning round. Try and adjust my light, give it a bit more. You see that? Fantastic. Now, the proof is going to be in the pudding. Let's plug in the charger, and this light should illuminate. We have power. Absolutely perfect. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this repair, and I hope you prepared your device. It could be any laptop, it doesn't have to be Lenovo. But if you can't actually get the piece out, then you may need to take the back off to repair it. But I know on this one it might be a bit more involved, because on these charging ports internally, there is no way from the top to actually push out the broken connector or the actual charger part. You may have to take the motherboard out and look on the other side. But from the top, I know on this model you can't do that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that repair, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.